there. And then finally to the west, and it is located, the Imperial Palace is located in the west side. Okay. So nowadays, and so this is open tea house. And we can enjoy the tea here, and also we can enjoy the lunch, but usually it's closed all the time. Okay, I'm showing. And so this shrine has many shrines, and kind of subordinate shrines and small shrines, and around over 60 subordinate smaller shrines. And this area has Mizuya shrines, and so people can visit 9 smaller shrines in Mizuya. So because this is the Mizuya River here, and the water comes from the Mt.Kasuga. Mt.Kasuga is a kind of the sacred mountain, we think, and people think. And Mt.Kasuga is yes, wow. Yes, and Mt.Kasuga is around 500 meters, 590 meters high. And we think, and people think that is a sacred mountain. So the shrine is located at the foot of the Mt.Kasuga. And near here, there are 9 smaller shrines, and people can visit 9 shrines here. Okay. And so we say Mizuya Michi. Michi is a pathway, Mizuya Michi. So this has a rope. Maybe after finishing at 5 o'clock, I'm sure. But if people ask the staff or a priest here, and maybe they can visit here. There are some shrines inside. But have to be very careful because there are many forests, there are trees. So it is in the forest, that's why. Especially at night time. It's dark, just dark. That's why. Okay, so, this is river. So this is a Mizuya shrine. And the main shrine. And then, so it is very big. And 12.5 meters. And Ibuki, and I'm showing the, so English one. Juniperus. I'm not sure. So we say Ibuki. And I'm showing after that, and inside. And there is a hollow inside. And from inside and from the hollow, an oak tree come out. So it is very interesting tree. And which one? I'm not sure. Maybe inside the hole. Maybe from the distance I'm showing. It's better. So very unique trees. So there are some holes. Maybe oak trees come out. This one. Yes, you can see. And oak tree come out. So very big here. So they need poles. Okay. And so shrine, and luckily it's lit up because it's getting dark. And so according to this information, Mizuya Shrine, and so this is the god is here, is enshrined, and the god is for recovering our sickness, and also the drive away many evil, not only one, and from the 8 direction. Okay, and so this one is stones for easy delivery. So sometimes then we can find this kind of things. And so this is in the shrine, but we can see some paper, white paper, and it means a sacred place. And especially in the old time, people didn't know how to build a shrine, and no shrine structure. So just the trees and just a rock and represent sacred place and God are here. Okay, so you can see very beautiful lanterns. And at night time, and in August, I did a tour, and in August, okay, most everywhere, yes. And at that time, because of the unfortunately bad Wi-Fi connection, I couldn't show. But now you can see, and there are 3,000 lanterns here, including stone lanterns. So stone lanterns are different from each other. Some of them, so this is all of them are stone lanterns, but sometimes I can find easily. And this one. So this one are made of wood and cypress. So different. Because these lanterns are very, very old. And we say Muromachi period. Muromachi period is around 13th century, 14th century. And some of them very old. That's why, and different from each other. So this is very unique. And here, inside, wooden structure. Yes. Hello, Eva. Thank you. Thank you for joining here. Very beautiful. Covered moss and so me of the spirited of yes. But today I'm not sure. Only New Year's over. And mostly it's kind of charming and pretty and like a hat and very cute. Yes. So like art, so different from each other. 3,000 lantern has a different, its own feature. So keep all. Okay. So this is a kind of the, yes, and the second, the garden on the second tour. And it's a kind of the hidden gem. And this area, especially this time in 5 o'clock Japanese time, and not so here, not so many people here, and no student. Student go back to the hotel. So it's very beautiful here. And also this is a great Kasuga Shrine. And there are many Kasuga shrines in Japan. And then I had a tour in Sumiyoshi Shrine. And Sumiyoshi Shrine has an earth bridge. And that is a great Sumiyoshi Shrine. So usually great shrine. And this is a great shrine among 3,000 Kasuga shrines in Japan. Because in the 8th century and the Nara period, we say Nara period. And especially this area is the east end, and Imperial Palace is west. And then Mt.Kasuga and Mount Mikasa, we say Mikasa, and Mount Mikasa is next to the Mount Kasuga. Kasuga is has to be God here. Has to have a God here. Okay, here. And there are some I cannot see exactly. And there are some small statues. And maybe 12 animals, I think, according to the... So this shrine was built at first. And then, so I said that Mizuya 9 visit. so people can visit 9 places. Try to control Imperial Palace and from the east side and a little bit higher place. And after that, and they thought, and they needed shrine. So they built a shrine here. Oh, thank you. Thank you for the tip. Okay. And here is a corridor. Beautiful corridor here. And there are 3 entrances here. Okay. Beautiful. And now it's closed because of the time. And this entrance. And from here, and especially priest and maiden visited and entered here. Whoa. Because, okay, so they needed so kind of the sometimes and performance and traditional performance was held, and sometimes they had to prepare. So they entered. Okay, I'm checking the I can enter or not. Okay. And so the door is locked. I'm not sure. If it is locked, then I will go. Okay. Okay, from outside. And so you can see the lanterns inside. So before during the festival in the summertime, I showed. So this is very beautiful. So 3,000 lanterns means, and so this one, so this kind of the lanterns are included. Not only the stone lanterns. Okay, so beautiful. And especially at night time, they are lit up and they're so beautiful. And unfortunately, I cannot show this gate. And as I talked, then Fujiwara clan. And Fujiwara clan built this shrine at that time. And this gate is a little bit gorgeous, more gorgeous than other gate. So Fujiwara clan entered from this gate. So this is a special, because this is a main hall here, near here, and this is a main entrance, but they could enter from the west side. These lanterns were beautiful, yes. And inside, I'm showing, but yes, so usually, very beautiful here. Okay. So here, engraving, so beautiful. Oh, the connection is not so okay. Cream or dove, okay. Yes, yes, beautiful, yes. So I'm showing the map. And then, now, we can see, that's why I'm showing the map. Pictures of South Gate. And before that, I'm talking about this stone. And this stone is an interesting one. So there is a picture of God. And hi, Richard, thank you for joining. And thirdly, and maybe thunder. Thunder, because of the thunder, lightning, and the picture dropped, and that is God's picture of God. So, and after that, and this is a very kind of the power spot, and this is a stone of God, it is said. And then it is said, and so we come here from the apart from the 20 meters away at first, and then walk, and then without seeing and with closed eyes. Thank you for joining. So I'm showing. And I came so in there. Yeah. Hello, thank you.